Here it is. So here's number 4. Find all divisors, factors, same word, of 399. Now, we're going to stop at square root of 399. So you start by doing the square root. Take the square root of 399. And I'm getting 19.97 blah, blah, blah. So that means stop at 19, right? You don't need to do 20. 19 is the last number I need to check. So that's the first step you take. You take the square root of the number, find out what that is, and then you stop at that number. So I'm going to stop at 19. So here we go. I'm going to take 1 times 399. Obviously, you always start with 1, right? And then 2. Now that one's a no-go. 2 doesn't, in fact, you know what? Here, let me start over here. I know this one's going to take a lot of work. Let me start. 1 times 399. In fact, actually, guys, how about this? How about I just, right, yeah, here, let me write this a little better. 1 times 399. Then 2 does not go. Try it on your calculator. If you do 399 divided by 2, you get, I don't know what you get, 199.5 or something, I think. Let's try it. Yeah, right. So anyway, it didn't go. So then try 3. So take 399 and divide by 3. I don't expect you to be able to do all these in your head or anything like that. Just use your calculator. I'm using my calculator too. 133. Okay, now how about 4? 4 will be no. You can try it on your calculator. 5 will be no. 6 will be no. 7, I don't know. Show my calculator here. Yeah, it worked. That's funny. 7 times 57. That's not something I knew off the top of my head. I'm assuming you didn't either. So that worked. So we're getting a bunch of these. Let's go to 8. 8 is a no. 9 is a no. 10 is a no. 11, I don't know. It's a no. All right, I'm going to erase this and come up here. So now on the other side, keep going. 12 is a no. 13, I don't know. 399 divided by 13 is a no. Came out a decimal. 14 is a no. 15 is a no. 16 is a no. Remember, I'm supposed to stop at 19. I'm almost there. 17, I don't know. 399 divided by 17 on my calculator. That's a no. 18 is a no. 19? It's the last one I need to check. And it worked. 19 times 21. And stop. Okay, look at that. So we found a bunch of them. Let's circle them. So 1, remember you go like a U shape. 1, 3, and well, here, let me use different colors so it shows up better. So 1, 3, 7, and 57, 133, 399, and over here, 19 and 20. It doesn't really matter what order you list them in. This one is order independent. So the factors are 1, 399, 3, 133, 7, 157, 19, and 21. I think I got them all. 1, 399, 3, and 133, 7, and 57, 19, and 21. So we found out all the numbers that divide evenly with no remainder into 399. So that was a pretty tough one. That's about as hard as you're going to get in the homework, this homework assignment anyway, right there. So how did we do it? We started by taking the square root of the 399, came out 19.97, blah, 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 which means we stop at 19. And then I just use my calculator. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 19. And just divide every time. And anything that goes in evenly with no remainder, I write it down. Those are all the factors of the number 399.